Hi, it's Ms. Carlson. I'm doing a screencast-o-matic for one of your math extension assignments for this week. I think you'll have a lot of fun with this. It's deciphering the Culper code. And the Culper code comes from the Culper spy ring, which was organized in 1778. And this was to help out during the American Revolution. It was organized by General Washington. Benjamin Talmadge was in charge of the spy network, and he came up with a code book that substituted 763 words, names, and places with numbers. So, for instance, number 711 was referring to George Washington. Number 522 referred to Parliament. So when the spies were taking messages back and forth, they would use these numbers instead of actual names of places and names of people. Here is a list of the numbers and the words and letters that went along with it. So you'll see down here, we get to 711. It says right here, General Washington. You can also, I'll give you the link to this. You can also scroll down and see the actual primary source here for the Culper code book, which is pretty interesting. But it's a little hard to read, so I've given you the secondary source as well that you can use. So your assignment is, you've got these 8 problems to figure out. Once you've figured out the answer, you're going to use the code book to figure out what the word is. So, for instance, if the answer to one of these problems happens to be 577, the corresponding word would be recover. So once you figure out the answer to the math problems, you go to the code book to figure out the word, then you fill in the word here next to word. Once you're done with that, then you come here and fill in those words on these lines, and that helps you figure out what this letter to General Washington was. And this is an actual copy of an actual letter written by Caleb Brewster, who was one of the spies. So just 8 of the words have been removed from the letter, and what you're trying to do is figure out what those words are. So have fun with it, and you can help each other, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.